Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can block emails from specific senders or from specific domains on your Gmail. So let's begin the video. First of all, you are going to open Gmail and you can block emails either if they are in your primary inbox, your promotions tab, social tab, and so on. So let's say you have received an email from this particular email, and if you want to block it, the first way is to open that email, go to the right and click on these three dots. From here you are going to click on block XYZ email. It will show you that all these emails from this specific email address will be blocked, so you can just simply click on block and it will be blocked. So let's say that this sender has multiple emails within the same domain, like this is newsletter@motionvfx.com. maybe they have newsletter 234@motionvfx.com, so you may receive the emails from other of their emails. So if you want to block the entire website or the domain, you can just simply copy their basically domain name, which is @motionvfx.com. in your case it can be anything. After that, on the top right, click on settings, see all settings. From here click on filter and blocked addresses. We are going to click on create a new filter. In the from tab you are just going to enter that domain with the @ sign. So if you receive any email from this particular domain, it will be blocked. So again, whichever domain you want to block, and here in create filter click on it. You have these different options, so you can decide if you want to forward it, delete it, move it to the spam folder and whatnot. So in my case I am going to select delete it and I am going to click on create filter. So you can see the following filters are applied, matches this, and it will be deleted, and in the future you can edit it. So if I am going to receive any email of this domain or from a particular sender, as you can see I have already added. In both the ways I will not receive the email and it is actually blocked. In this case it is deleted, so I don't see it, but in the first case where you manually right click and block the email address, it is blocked. So yeah, these are the two ways in which you can block an email or a domain on Gmail. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.